As you can see, this is a website for a digital marketing agency. But let's say I would like to convert this same website into a website for a cleaning company or a cleaning service. In that case, I will use Rebrander to change the copy or the text across the entire website to reflect a cleaning company's services. So here inside Rebrander, I will enter some details about the cleaning company. I've gone ahead and entered the business details, the business name, location, some keywords, the brand tone, the contact information, and then the language of the website. I didn't touch the colors. I'll now click here to generate the rebranding prompt. The prompt has been generated. I'll copy the prompt, go to my AI website builder, I'm using Lovable, and then paste it in and hit enter. All right, the prompt from Rebrander has been applied, and every single piece of text on this website has been changed to reflect cleaning services. So now the heading says, a sparkling home, office, and wardrobe, Miami style. Every single text element on this website has been rebranded. Learn how to rebrand website images with just one click using AI by watching the next video. Thanks for watching. Share this video with someone you believe might find it helpful. Also, like the video and click the subscribe button to help grow the channel. See you in the next one.